What's up, old Power Addicts Group? Today's video, we are doing the exterior door handle. This is an easy one. This is a really easy one. Now, some of you guys may be thinking, oh my gosh, if you've never seen this project here before, you're seeing all this rust. Well, this is named, well, appropriately, Project Rust Bucket. This is an old rig right here that I bought from a fella that, well, it was destined for the scrap pile, and I wanted a toy. So I'm putting it back together as a streetable play toy. So with this much rust, who cares what you do with it, you know? Just resurrect it, give it another life. But that's another topic, and there's lots of videos on that as well. So today's topic, exterior door handle. Let's get this done. But if this is the first time you guys land on Power Addicts YouTube channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification button so you will be notified when I release these cool videos. You might just learn something cool. Hit that subscribe. Well, the first thing you got to do is remove this door panel, and you take your little trim tool, get up underneath here, and you pop these little Christmas tree clips here. See these little clips here? You pop them up out of those holes right here. But up in the corner right there is a link to a video that shows much more detail about removing and installing these door panels and what to do and how to replace these little clips right here when they break. Cool? Alright, if you need to check that video out first, you can do that, then come back to this one to see what you got to do. Now, to take this latch right here out, you're going to have a T20 Torx. Now, some people might think, oh, let's take his arm off first. You can't exactly do that because you got a spring right here that's in the way of the clip going down. But if you pull this back and try to push down, then this in the way here, it doesn't allow that clip to go down far enough to turn loose the rod. So what you got to do first, take the whole latching piece, the whole door handle out. T20 Torx. See, now this right here falls downward enough that it gives you clearance. Drop down, let that rod rest on this metal right here, which supports it. Take the clip. Gently, don't get too carried away with it now. Push down on that. Then you got to pry that rod back this way. It's got to come out this way. If I gave it enough clearance. You wiggle it, wiggle it. There it goes. Ta-da! Then you got the latch out. Now, whether it be new or whether it be used, when you put the latch back in, if you've got one of these little gasket pieces right here, notice the shape profile. It's got a lip that comes like flat that curves upward. That's the way I've got it positioned. It goes like that and wraps around this. Then we go to put the latch back in. Take and bring it in from the bottom here, or if you've got your door still in the Jeep, you know, that's another way of doing it, I reckon. But you gotta bring it like this right here. That arm goes back inside that hole right there, but you gotta push down your pin. You push down your clip enough that this comes over and fully engages into the clip. There it goes. Then once it fully engages, you take your screwdriver, whatever the case, or if you get your fingers in there, maybe. Yep, there you go. Then once that's in place, take our Torx screws, pick our door latch up, or exterior door handle, should I say. Keep seeing the latch. That's actually the latch right there. And get that screw started. Get this one. Get that one started. And support your latch so you get it centered correctly. And you don't have to get crazy tight, just a good snug, and you're good to go. Then once you get your screws tightened up, go ahead and put your door panel back on. You'll line up your Christmas trees on your door panel. Snap them back in. Put your pieces in right here where your window drops in. But again, like I said, up in the corner right there is going to be a video link. You guys can check out how to do the door panel in more detail. Well, there you go, everyone. That's how to change out the exterior door handle on a Jeep Wrangler YJ. Not too hard. 2 screws, 1 clip, and you're good for the day. So, if you liked that video, hit me with a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave me some cool comments down below. And this particular video series is about the half doors of the Wrangler, obviously. And I broke them up like you can see that they're short videos. But as I mentioned in the door panel video, is that I'm structuring this video series, I guess you might say, is the fact that more times than not, a person goes in, they're going to change that exterior door handle, or they're going to change the interior door handle. They're not going to rebuild a whole door at one time. So there was really, I felt it was better to portray the information to you guys, to break each part up into its own video. Therefore, if you need an exterior door handle, you go in, you see just an exterior door handle, without me taking out the latch and taking out the interior door handles and all that jazz. There was just really no point, and I feel like it's better for me to portray the information to you guys by doing it the way I do it. Okay, cool, sweet. So if you like that video, thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, leave some cool comments down below, and I really appreciate you hanging out with me. Don't forget to share these videos out. Reddit, Facebook, Twitter, whatever your social media outlet thing is, share these videos out. When you share them out, you help other people. I create the videos, you share them, everybody wins. Cool. All right, everyone. Peace out. Later, y'all.